Russian BM-27 Uragan multiple launch rocket systems crew belonging to missile troops and artillery of the 36th Combined Arms Army, assigned to the Vostok Group of Forces Battle Group, have positioned their MLRS on a dirt track surrounded and partly obscured from view by shrubs and trees. This artillery crew is operating in South Donesk and are conducting daily offensive operations against Ukrainian troops dug in along the contact line near the town of Vuhledar. A town once home to 15,000 residents has been effectively levelled by multiple unsuccessful Russian assaults and bombardment since March 2022. The BM-27 crew is waiting for targeting instructions relayed from Russian reconnaissance drones. Although the drone type used has not been disclosed, it is known the Vostok Battle Group are flying experimental strike and reconnaissance FPV drones in South Donesk to replace UAV losses. Seen here as a Russian motorised rifleman, 39th Separate Motor Rifle Brigade of the 68th Army Corps assigned to the Vostok Group of Forces Battle Group. He is operating one of the latest deployed first-person view reconnaissance drones. This relatively small and compact drone is capable of transmitting enemy positions and relaying coordinates via the reconnaissance operator to the Uragan crew. The BM-27 Uragan crew have now received target instructions. They break cover and move to a more open, exposed area in which to fire their rockets. BM-27 Uragan is a 1975 Soviet-era design, which is capable of launching fin-stabilised, unguided 220mm rockets from 16 launch tubes. Its primary rocket is the 9M27F, fitted with a 100 kg high explosive fragmentation warhead containing 51.7 kg of explosives. A full salvo of 16 rockets can be fired in 20 seconds and can engage targets within a range of 21.7 miles. The BM-27 Uragan system relies on area bombardment to destroy vehicles, equipment, buildings and personnel. A full salvo of this artillery system covers an area of 4.3 hectares. That's roughly the area size of 4 London Trafalgar Squares. The 9M27 series of rockets includes scatterable landmines and cluster submunitions. The artillerymen will conduct indirect fire at the target area. Here they are using a Cold War era PG-1 panoramic telescope for indirect fire aiming. A forward deployed reconnaissance drone operator will relay the accuracy of the rocket's impact on and around the target. The BM-27 Uragan system is not linked to the Russian GLONASS satellite navigation and positioning system and relies on basic electronic communications. The original Soviet Cold War battle plan strategy was to deploy BM-27 in groups of 3 to 4 launchers per battery unit positioned behind front lines. They would fire a simultaneous salvo of up to 64 rockets under 20 seconds at massed NATO forces. The BM-27 6-man crews would retreat, reload and reposition to a new firing position. The BM-27 to rearm with rockets requires a 9T452 transporter loader vehicle to rearm rockets into the launch tubes. The loading procedure to load 16 rockets usually takes 20 minutes. Today, the Russian BM-27 artillerymen often work as a single unit, dispersed across the battlefield using shoot and scoot tactics to avoid counter-battery fire and Ukrainian reconnaissance detection. A well-trained 6-man crew can, once stationary, deploy and fire the launcher within 3 minutes before withdrawing from the area. Speed is essential. After all, their lives just may depend on it. Thanks for watching.